Hey, this is Jen Boyd, and in this video, I'm going to be sharing how incorporating Feng Shui into your home environment can positively affect your mindset. And here's the deal, transforming your mindset and how you feel can help you improve, everything, your prosperity, your relationships, your well-being, and more. And as you learn about energy, both in your home and in your own personal energy, you'll understand that how you feel about these things is what actually shows up in your life. And the space you create around you is very much a reflection of how you feel on the inside. And like I always say, when you feel good in your space, you feel good in your life. And as you learn about Feng Shui principles and begin to incorporate intention along with natural elements into your space, this can transform your life. And it's actually really powerful. So I'm really excited about this video today because I want to share how Feng Shui is more than your space and it's more than the things in your home. Feng Shui is really about you, and your mindset is a key aspect of your personal energy and what you attract to your life. So yes, Feng Shui will absolutely help you create a beautiful, healthy home that feels good, but it's actually way more than that. And I'm going to share that in this video. This is a really good video, so be sure to stick around to the end. And before I begin, I wanted to share that a few spots have opened up for a free one-to-one 45-minute Feng Shui discovery session with me. These sessions are a great way to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and see if the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program will work for you. You'll want to stay to the end of the video for the announcement on this. And be sure to download your own free copy of my Feng Shui training video. This will give you some great ideas for how to get started with Feng Shui, and the link for this is in the description. And with that, let's get started. Okay, so let's talk about mindset. This is a word that we're hearing a lot of these days. And why? Well, because how we feel and how we think is basically what shows up in our life. And I know it's exciting and scary all at the same time, right? So the cool thing is that with Feng Shui, you actually have a leg up on improving your mindset because of three things. When you are engaged with the principles of Feng Shui, you are actively aligning your intentions into your home and your life. And getting clear on your intentions is a wonderful way to change, enhance, and improve your mindset. And number two, Feng Shui principles provide a framework to understand what is supportive or unsupportive in your space. And Feng Shui is all about living with what you love and aligning with the natural flow of life. And we also learn how to let go of that which is no longer relevant to your life and leave a space for the new. And number three, the natural elements. We know the benefits of spending time in nature and how the wisdom of nature can enhance one's life. So it makes perfect sense that by bringing nature into our homes is good for our health and our relationships and more. So these three things together really make way for a clear new path of positive energy. So once we understand this, we can really begin to make friends with the energy in our homes and positively affect how we feel and how we think. So let me ask you, are you craving a new flow of positive energy in your life? Really, aren't we all? Well, this is where the fun begins, my friend. Using the simple and time-tested Feng Shui principles, you can literally change and transform your life, the energy in your home, and it all starts with improving your mindset. I know when I started learning about Feng Shui 20 years ago, one of the first things that I noticed that really changed in my life was my mindset and how I felt about myself. And I've used the principles to decorate and organize my home, make decisions about colors and artwork for my space, improve my health, and I've even had really big transformations with money and relationships, and that's all possible with Feng Shui. But the biggest transformation from Feng Shui that I've actually experienced is within myself, really. Feng Shui catches our attention because we all want a really nice house and we want it to feel good, me included. And the principles will absolutely 100% help you create a beautiful home that does feel good and that looks really nice. But the real secret and the real benefit to working with Feng Shui principles is the internal change that happens. And this is where it's at. And I can say this wholeheartedly. So if something feels off or stuck or stagnant in your life, pause and pay attention because this is a wonderful sign from the ever-loving universe that it's time to let go and get in the flow. And it starts here. Remember, Feng Shui is based on Taoism, and Taoism is all about being in the flow. And flow exists in your mindset and in your space. And Feng Shui brings these two concepts together beautifully to enhance the quality of your life. And Feng Shui principles help us see how our space reflects and affects our life. So think about it like this. As you are focusing on creating an environment that you love, guess what? Well, you experience more love in your life. It's that simple. So on that note, my friends, I conclude this video. I sincerely hope this video was helpful. If you're new to my channel, be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Click the little bell over there so that you'll be notified when I post a new weekly video. Also, be sure to leave me a comment or a question below and let me know what you thought about this video or if you have an idea for an upcoming video. I read all of the comments personally. And as I mentioned in the beginning of the video, a few spots have opened up for a free 45-minute one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session with me. And this is where the change really starts. We begin to diagnose what's happening with the energy in your home and start to create a plan for opening up that blocked energy. We'll also see if the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program will work for you. So click the link in the description, fill out a short survey, and you'll be taken to a page where you can actually schedule a time with me to chat about your home. And let's see how I can help you optimize the energy in your home and your life. In case you're curious, the Harmony Blueprint Feng Shui program really helps you create a new flow of energy in your home and your life that improves your prosperity, your relationships, your career, and your well-being. You can create more mental clarity and consistency of your own personal energy with the natural elements. And you can learn a framework that takes the guesswork out of where to place your furniture, artwork, and belongings, and we're always using holistic elements for your success. So open up the energy blocks and move life forward. And we typically work with people who want to experience new positive energy in their life. So this could be maybe you've been interested in Feng Shui for a while, or maybe you're a homeowner and you're moving into building or renovating your home, or maybe you're an entrepreneur who works from home, or maybe you're just simply seeking a new direction in life. When you start working with the energy in your home, you'd be amazed at how much this can affect all of that. When you make changes to your home, it's sometimes hard to see the space for yourself. Our program combines a self-paced education along with a lifetime access of ongoing one-to-one support to ensure that you create a home that you love now and into the future. Be sure to sign up for your free one-to-one Feng Shui discovery session in the description. I'd truly love to meet with you. And my free Facebook group is open, so be sure to click on the link in the description as well. It's a wonderful community that is growing by leaps and bounds, and it's a wonderful way to interact with me on a personal level. So until next time, stay in the flow, and remember, the answers are always right in front of you.